We'll secure the cables right here. Mike, I want you to start the extraction now. Pull on 3. Pull harder, keep it steady. Look up there. What is that? Incredible. We have to check it out. Hold the descent right there.
Clear on this side.
Okay, bringing it down slowly. The structural integrity here is surprisingly sound despite the rust.
Is that the original intake manifold?
We can probably salvage the turbine section if we're careful.
Look at the corrosion here on the fuselage. The engine is completely seized. The fuel tank seems mostly intact, surprisingly. All right, bring it up another 10 feet. Watch the starboard side, clear the canopy. Keep it steady. Watch the starboard wing. Hold your position. Lower it 5 meters, very slowly. Easy now, lower it slow. All right, straps loose. Now push, all together. See that connection point right there? According to the manual, we need to cross-reference the intake pressure. Pull up the schematic on the tablet. The structural integrity here is flawless, based on the resonance tests.
Cross-referencing with the original schematics confirms it.
We need to inspect the rivets along the fuselage here. Make sure the restoration holds up under pressure.
Understood. I'll get the scanning equipment ready.
The canopy structure is surprisingly sound, considering the environment. Do you think we can get her airborne? If we attach the stabilizer here, we should be fine.
Okay, I've marked that down.
The schematics look good.
Wiring harness for the engine bay goes right here.
Okay, I'll update the checklist. We're still missing the main fuselage bolts, though. All right, easy now, lift it up. Got it, watch the edge. Watch the edge. Looks aligned, go ahead. Torque looks good.
They've managed to preserve the original markings.
Look at that insignia.
It's remarkable craftsmanship, considering the location. The pressure differential looks stable. We should be ready for the hydraulics test tomorrow.
Agreed. The seals held up perfectly. The fuselage looks good, but we still have a lot of work on the controls.
Agreed, let's get the schematics out.
The corrosion on the intake manifold is severe. We have to replace this section entirely.
And the fuel lines in the wing, are they salvageable?
According to the schematics, this patch won't hold under G-force.
We need to reinforce the plating here before the stress test.
Look at this reading on the stabilizer. It's completely oxidized.
Yeah, we'll need to fabricate a new one on site. Okay, the fuel regulator connects right here. Got it. Check the pressure bypass on page 3. The schematic shows the bypass here, but this wiring is completely different. See the voltage spike?
They must have modified the fuel gauge assembly.